Are you looking for a compact moving headlight that punches way above its weight? Well, Betopper just sent me a couple of these bad boys. They have a 150 watt beam that delivers 300 watt level brightness thanks to its large lens and ultra tight 1.72 degree beam. So let's check them out, put them through their paces, connect them to SoundSwitch, and see if they're a smart investment for your setup. Inside the box, you get everything that you need. I love that they included a safety wire and a mounting bracket, so we can try to get these on some gravity stands in a bit. So this is clearly an incredibly compact unit. It is made of mostly plastic. Inside there is a heat sink and obviously a fan with lots of ventilations to help with temperatures. I also really like this Betopper branding on the sides here. There is a huge 10mm lens inside, contributing to the super tight and extremely bright beam. Now it is a fixed focus beam, so there's no zooming or focus adjustment. And I don't really think it's fair to call that a drawback or a flaw because it's such an affordable unit and the bang for your buck with this is already phenomenal. On the front, you've got the LCD menu for setup and manual tweaking. And on the back, PowerCon and DMX ins and outs. All right, let's talk performance. So I mentioned the beam angle, check it out. Super crisp and bright. Betopper claims 115,000 lux at 3 meters. So that's 300 watt level brightness from a 150 watt light. And seeing is believing. They really cut through a dark room. There are 12 color wheels, including 2 white temperatures, 12 gobos, including wide open, plus a 12 faceted prism, which means even without haze, these can really bring excitement to your dance floor. Now for control modes, you've got options. There are 3 different auto modes: calm, energetic, and romantic. I think if you were gonna go with auto mode and you're a DJ or a band, then energetic is probably your best bet. The other 2 are just a bit too relaxed for me. You can master slave these if you want. There is a lively sound activated mode, and of course DMX, which is how I will be using them. So let's connect them to SoundSwitch. DMX wise, these are 12 channel fixtures and setting these up in SoundSwitch was super easy. The LB150s were already in the software. With the included bracket, it is super easy to get these on some gravity stands. You will need a hex key to attach the brackets and some M10 bolts, but these are very cheap. I think I paid like $8 for them. So is the Betopper LB150 worth your money? Here are my thoughts. If you need a compact moving head beam with pro level brightness and DMX capabilities, then the LB150 is an absolute steal. These are the perfect entry-level beams for mobile DJs, bands, churches, or theaters. I have some corporate events coming up and I'm going to be bringing these out to a wedding in a couple weeks. Really excited to see how these look in larger rooms. If you're looking for a beam that's bigger, stronger, and has more features like focusing, more colors, and frost effects, then you should definitely check out Betopper's LB295. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button, maybe consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're interested in getting some of these lights, there are affiliate links to both lights down in the description. Using those links is a great way to support the channel with no additional cost to yourself. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.